To get started with Solana, the first thing you're going to want to do is download a wallet. You can think of a wallet sort of like a keychain. Wallets store your private keys, which are your access to your digital assets on chain. To download the Phantom wallet, go to phantom.app and click download. We are on desktop, so we're going to select our browser and add the Phantom wallet extension. Add to Chrome, authorize the extension, and create a new wallet. Create a random and unused password. Your password is unique to the Phantom wallet and not your asset key, but still important to keep safe and secure. Your secret recovery phrase is incredibly important. This phrase is your key to your assets on chain. If you lose this phrase, you lose your assets. This recovery phrase or secret key goes with you regardless of the Solana wallet and cannot be recovered. So write it down and store it somewhere very secure. There are many resources out there for best practices on storing keys and avoiding hacks in crypto. Once you've created your secret phrase and saved it somewhere secure, you've created a Phantom wallet and installed the browser extension. Now, all you have left to do is fund and use it.